Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit with Janani. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all gonna be about face shaving routine for sensitive and acne prone skin and what are the do's and don'ts of face shaving. So let's get right into the video without any further delay. As I said before, in today's video, I'm going to show my facial shaving routine as I have oily acne prone skin. It's pretty sensitive right now, but I do face shaving regularly like twice a month or once a month so that the makeup sits on the skin so beautifully and your skin glows a lot. There are many advantages and for few people there are certain disadvantages in face shaving. So I'm just going to cover everything in detail in today's video. So first let me just show you how I do my facial shaving routine. So I have my clean face over here. So first I'm going to use a very gentle cleanser to just cleanse my face well. For that today I'm going to use this FAE No BS gentle cleanser. Certain gentle cleansers like FAE Beauty gentle cleanser or Dot & Key's hydrating cleanser or Foxtail gentle cleanser. You can use such gentle cleansers to first gently cleanse your face. I will definitely leave all the product details and the links in the description box below, guys. You can definitely check it out. So first I'm just going to use this cleanser. So I'm just going to take this and gently cleanse my face well. So after massaging it well, I'm just gonna wash it off and I'll be right back. Yes, now I'm back after cleansing my face and you can see it's super clean and bright. So now just let's move to the next step of my face shaving routine is to apply a aloe vera gel, because aloe vera gel are mostly suitable for all skin types including acne prone and sensitive skin. Few dry skin people have seen videos that they have used their facial oil to just remove their hair during their face shaving routine, but I don't think it's a good choice. It can suit a few of you, but it can also at times can clog your pores. So it's better to use a aloe vera gel if you're not allergic to aloe vera. So today I'm going to use the Soap Square Pure Aloe Vera Gel. I absolutely love this aloe vera gel. I will also leave all the aloe vera gel recommendations that I absolutely love in the description box below. So I'm gonna take a generous amount of aloe vera first, and then I'm gonna apply on the areas wherever I'm gonna just do my face shaving routine. So I'm just gonna apply on the sides of my cheeks, above my lips and on the sides of my lips. You can apply the aloe vera gel generously so that the razor glides on your skin smoothly and there is no irritation whatsoever. And I'm going to just apply it on my forehead as well. So that's it. So these are the areas I'm going to shave. So you're going to ask me why I'm not shaving your whole face, because I wouldn't shave wherever I have acne. So I do have my acne on the chin, so I wouldn't shave on my chin area, and also my skin is sensitive pretty here, so I wouldn't shave on the center of my cheeks and on my nose. So I'm going to shave only my peach fuzz on my above my lips and on my forehead just to groom my eyebrows. So for face razors, I always recommend you to try out the Carmesi face razor. So this is an absolutely gentle and beautiful razor. It doesn't ever cut your skin, as you can see. So this is how the blade of the razor looks like, and yeah, it's super gentle, it doesn't even cut, and it's so good. So I'm just gonna shave on this side first and show you how it looks. Also, just keep a cotton pad or a tissue paper on the side so you can just remove the excess of the facial hair that you shave. So I'm just going to use my cotton pads today as the tissue paper box is over right now. And yeah, for cotton pads I use this Miniso cotton pad box, and this is gonna last forever, I know. As you can see, I've applied a generous amount of aloe vera, and now I'm gonna shave this side. You're gonna stretch your skin and then go at a 45-degree. Don't do like this, it might cut your skin. So go in a 45-degree angle in short strokes, very very gently stretch your skin and then shave your hair. As you can see, I'm just gonna shave only on the sides of my face where my peach fuzz is very very generous. So this is how much is the amount of hair on one side of my face. So I'm just gonna remove this hair and clean the razor once, secure it, and then move on to the other side. Again here I'm gonna stretch the skin and then shave it at an angle of 45 degrees, as you can see. Again, just stretch the skin and then shave it. as I have acne over here, I'm not gonna go over the chin area, but previously if I don't have acne here, I would just shave a little bit right here because there's some slight tiny little hair over there, so I'll just clean over that. Stretch your forehead doesn't need to be stretched much, but for a safety purpose you can just stretch it. Go on short strokes gently and very slowly near your eyebrows so that you don't remove excess of your eyebrows. So be careful near eyebrows, guys. Go in a short strokes, slowly and gently, like that. So that's it for my face shaving, guys. It's completely done. So I'm just gonna splash a cool plain water on my face and cleanse all of the excess aloe vera gel and my hair, and then I'll be right back. Yes, I'm back, and as you can see, my face looks much cleaner, brighter, and looks more good, right? So now, to just prevent it from getting skin irritation, I'm going to use an aloe vera water. You can also use the same aloe vera gel that I used before, but I love using this, and I'm going to use this Pure by Priyanka's Aloe Moisture Surge. It's nothing but an aloe vera water. Yeah, it's like a toner to your skin, and it also has hyaluronic acid, so it helps in hydrating my skin well and soothes my skin, and I absolutely love it. This is my third bottle, so you would know how much I would love it. Yes, I'm just gonna tap it gently on my skin and soothe and calm my skin so that there's no irritation, no more acne on the side where I shaved my face, and yeah. So yes, that's it, it's done, and my face looks much more hydrated, plumpy, and healthy. Right now I'm just gonna complete my routine with a moisturizer. So this is my current favorite moisturizer, and that is the Aqualogica's Radiance Plus Oil Free Moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice according to your skin type. Yes, so I'm gonna use a generous amount of moisturizer, like 2 pumps, and just gonna apply on my skin well. It also has niacinamide in it, which is great for a skin barrier, acne prone skin, and oily skin. And yeah, this moisturizer is so good. It is lightweight. It gives that dewy glowy finish, but not much like an oily greasy ball, but it gives the right amount of nourishment that my skin needs. So this is so good, and for 100 grams of moisturizer, it is super affordable. I guess it's around $3.99 or something. So yes, that's it for my face shaving routine. Coming to the do's and don'ts of face shaving routine, yeah, as I said before, I would suggest you to apply an aloe vera gel so that the razor glides on your skin smoothly, and also there's no cuts or skin irritation whatsoever on your skin. So you can use an good aloe vera gel that suits your skin. Right, so next step is that to use the razor in just a 45-degree angle like this and not like this, so your skin doesn't get hurt, and it's gonna just cut off your excess hair, and it's gonna look pretty good and smooth. So that's the second do's. And yeah, always clean your razor before and after using it immediately, and then just dry it off, air dry it as soon as possible so that there's no any bacterial or fungal breeding on the razor, so that it doesn't affect your skin. So that's the main point. And use a good quality razor. Don't use just generic Amazon buy razors, so that your skin doesn't get hurt or cut. And one of my favorite, I've tried many razors, guys, even Amazon razors I've tried. I've got cut on my nose, and this is some mark of that. Yes, I've done every trial and error, and this Carmeti face razors are an absolute favorite. It's super gentle, it's like a pack of 3, and it's gonna last you forever. The quality of the razor is so super good, and you can definitely give it a try. I will leave all the product links in the description box below, so you can check it out and just shop it directly. Yes, so coming to don'ts, you cannot use your face razor on the area of your acne. So for example, I have an active acne here, so I wouldn't use my razor over here. And yes, so be careful. First time if you're gonna use and you're gonna see some rashes or acne wherever it is, don't use the razor next time on the area. Like first time I even shaved my face here, it's pretty acne prone area for me here, so from next time I stopped using my razor over here. So I'm just gonna shave my my peach fuzz, on my above my full lips, and on my forehead. And that's it for my face shaving routine. So you have to analyze your skin wherever it is and wherever it doesn't suit. So accordingly, you can just change it. The next point that you should remember is that I would prefer to do your face shaving routine only in the evening time. So you can just go on with a moisturizer, go to your bed, and on the next morning you can do your regular AM routine and apply sunscreen so your skin gets protected and good. But if you're gonna do your face shaving routine in the morning, I wouldn't suggest you to do that, because you would go out after doing, or if you're going to office or your college, you're gonna do your face shaving routine, apply the makeup, and then go on. It can at times clog pores when your skin is so fresh after your face shaving routine. So that's why I would suggest you to avoid doing it in your AM routine, but rather do it in your PM routine. So it's just preference, so your skin looks safe and good. The last point that I would like to share is that start your face shaving routine by cleansing your skin, because you should start your face shaving on your clean bare skin. There's no gonna be any product on your skin, and there's no dust, grime and dirt, nothing. It's just your clean bare skin, so that your skin doesn't get clogged or irritated. Yes, so your face shaving process is gonna be so simple, easy and hassle-free. That's it guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family so that it will be helpful for them as well. Also, if you love watching such self-care, makeup and fashion content, then don't forget to click the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. You can also check out my Instagram page. I do share my content more regularly there on self-care, makeup and fashion. Again, yes, you can definitely check it out. And that's it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.